Hello, I'm Nigel Sprunt and I'm the International Marketing Director at Withers, and I'm here today with my colleagues Penny Williams and Brad Westerfield to talk about transatlantic thinking. So if I could turn to you, Penny, first, maybe you could just give us in overall terms what transatlantic thinking is?
Sure, Nigel. Transatlantic thinking is estate planning for people with US and UK issues. So it's a fixed price estate planning model. Look at the American living here, married to a Brit, children here, assets here and in the US. They want wills that work in both places, and that's what we're seeking to achieve. And in this straightforward situation, we can do that for £6,000 plus VAT.
Okay, so Penny, why now have we brought this product out?
We brought it out now because we have a project called Thinking Ahead, which is really aimed at the domestic market. And we've had a lot of interest in that from people with US and UK issues. So now we're addressing those issues through transatlantic thinking, fixed price estate planning for US-UK issues.
Okay, and turning to you, Brad, Penny mentioned £6,000. Is that a lot for a US-UK estate plan?
No, it's not. Oftentimes individuals think that they have a relatively straightforward situation. However, a number of complex issues can arise where you have a US-UK couple. For example, if an American spouse were to simply leave assets outright to a UK spouse, those assets likely would be subject to double tax. That is, the assets would be subject to US estate tax on the American's death, and then again to UK inheritance tax on the UK spouse's death. We've developed integrated US-UK estate planning models to get around these complex issues.
Okay, so if I understand this correctly, you're saying that you actually get taxed twice without the right planning?
That's right. Without proper estate planning documents, a substantial portion of the estate or the assets can go towards taxes.
How much? What sort of percentage are we talking about?
Likely over 50% of the assets.
Wow, that's a lot. Okay, Penny, one of the things that I think people who are listening might be thinking is, there is advice out there already. What makes transatlantic thinking different from what's already out there?
Transatlantic thinking is different because it's dovetailed. We have US attorneys and UK attorneys under the same roof here in London. Other firms offer US advice or UK advice, and then they join it up, and the pricing is obviously a lot higher than we offer here. So we are looking for a joined up service. Clients are going to be able to get that service from us.
Okay, and I suppose also, one of the important things to mention is this clarity about what you get for your money.
Absolutely. We strive to be as open as we can be and transparent as we can be about fees, and that means being very clear about what the client's going to get and what they're not going to get at the beginning of the relationship. And then we're going to be able to tell them quite clearly what is covered, what isn't covered, what's going to cost more.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Penny and Brad, for explaining about transatlantic thinking. It just remains for me to say that if you want more information about the product, please go to our website. There's a special feature there, and you can also download the brochure.